Hi. Okay. I have been home for a week and I haven't filmed, that's a lie. I have filmed little snippets of stuff on this camera. The battery's about to die. I have filmed little bits and pieces on the camera, but I have been editing every day since I got home. So technically, I've still been kind of uploading on a daily basis. Kind of. I've kind of been uploading on a daily basis. What happened while I was gone? Well, it was my birthday. I turned 33. And when I got home, Kimmy had done this for me. Purple and gold because of the Los Angeles Lakers. I'm a massive Lakers fan. So she put all these balloons up everywhere for me and had a birthday cake for me. Thank you, Kimberly. Otherwise, not that much has been going on. I've been a little bit stressed. I wasn't 100% sure what to film when I got home. So I'm talking, which is probably not very entertaining. Let's go check out how the Land Cruiser held up on this trip. It's also nice and clean, isn't it? Look how nice and clean it is. I did not clean my car. I paid someone to clean my car because if you saw the footage of it, I mean, it was ridiculous. I went to the Cape twice within 3 months and it was horrible. So I paid someone to clean it. They did a pretty good job. That sun is just, So what went wrong with the car? Nothing. Nothing at all went wrong with the car. Actually, that's a slight lie. A couple of things went wrong with the car, but they're very insignificant and very minor, and you would kind of expect a lot more to go wrong. So, the covers for my steady lights, one of the covers broke. I've ordered another one, and I'll put the covers back on when that comes. What are these things? These lights that are in here. Shit. One of my fog lights got smashed by a rock. So that gives me an excuse to upgrade to the steady LED fog lights. That sun is just in the worst possible position. Can you see that? I got a cracked windscreen, so I need a new windscreen. I have to probably get that. I probably need to get on to getting that sorted out. Otherwise, everything in the car went like perfect. Like I didn't have any other issues whatsoever. So, thumbs up for Land Cruisers. In other news, something else that we have been dealing with here in our little local area for the last couple of days is this. You see this? No, I'm not in Brazil. That's Bribey Island. It's far less of an attractive location than Brazil. It's pretty crazy, all that stuff that's happening in Brazil. On a more serious note, you know, they've got some of the craziest wildfires they've ever had in the rainforest there, which is pretty sad. I think it's the first time they've ever been able to see smoke from that area in space, so there's that much smoke. I'll put some literally looks apocalyptic. What's happening in Brazil right now is a massive shame, but as you can see, we have our own problems on our hands. Bribey Island is out of control. Seriously though, like, good luck to everyone that's out there trying to fight those fires. I'm sure there's firefighters and rangers and all that kind of stuff out there, so good luck to them. I thought I'd show that on my way to get dinner. It's my turn to cook dinner tonight. To be honest, it's pretty much nearly my turn every night to cook dinner, but tonight I have a great idea for my turn to cook, so let's go to the shops and get some food. Frozen dinner review time, yay! 2, 3. I've got 9 frozen dinners that we're gonna try tonight. Kim's gonna f***ing kill me.
Yeah?
I have dinner organised.
Oh, what are we having?
Kimmy, are you excited?
Maybe.
Really?
Yeah.
We have 9 dinners we have to eat.
I don't like the look of this one already.
First one we're doing is the burrito bowl. Oh God. I mean, it doesn't, I wouldn't say that it looks appetizing. That is what it's meant to look like, and it's got, it's
Meal number 1.
meal number 1.
Yeah. It's plant-based, so it's not bad. It doesn't taste bad.
Whatever that was that I just ate, it's got a bit of a,
Tangy, like.
I would say like a cardboard. Other stuff, that's not too bad. I mean, right? That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's pretty good. That big thing that we ate.
That's pretty good. Okay, I mean, that's not that bad. We're up to a decent start. What would you give that out of 10 though? I'd say 5, it's average.
Could you eat it?
I could finish it if I had to.
It's not like I would go starving.
I mean, it's not bad.
Starving.
5 out of 10. 5 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
5 out of 10. McCain.
You've done it again.
Oh God, I can't believe it. Alright.
Look how excited you are.
Well.
I'm gonna taste the potato first.
Is that meant to be potato? Okay, the carrots don't taste like carrot.
No, potato doesn't really taste like potato.
Oh, the peas are good. That's the snitz. Okay. Oh, it smells alright. Oh, it tastes pretty good.
Actually, tastes nice. Good, the peas are delicious. Well, I could actually eat this meal.
This isn't bad. I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10.
7 or an 8.
Alright.
8's pretty high.
Let's clarify this. 10 is like, I can't believe that this is frozen microwave food, and 1 is, it's inedible. 5 is like, we could eat it if we had to, it's not that good. I'm going a 7. King size power bowl, butter chicken. It looks really white.
It looks like bread.
It does look like bread. I'm a little bit worried.
Yeah.
The chicken tape isn't. It's.
Why does it like not taste like? Look at that. It's like a mush. It doesn't look like.
The chicken's like
chicken.
fluffy. It's like not fluffy. It's what's the
Look
rice?
at that.
I don't know what's the rice like
It's totally not that bad.
Don't you find the rice really chewy?
I'm not sure.
You're still eating it. You must like it. It's not a good sign when we have to drink water. I'm gonna try bean. Oh, the beans, just feel the bean in your hands. You know what the beans feel like? As a caterpillar. Feel that.
Oh. Riddled with it.
Okay, so what are you giving that then?
I'm gonna give it a 4 or a 5. I couldn't eat it. It's a 4.
I'm going a 3. Kim's going a 4. Next up, wholemeal beef lasagna.
I'm kind of excited for this one. I like lasagna. Oh.
What the f is that meant to be?
Oh.
What it's meant to be looking like. It sounds delicious. And then that. I mean, that doesn't look.
Anything like. Where's the parsley?
What is that?
What is that?
I don't know. I feel like it's going to be really, really hot. have to look. Even this little bit here. Look, like at least you can see there's.
What? That what?
Okay, I'm happy.
It looks like an old person's elbow. I can't really tell what I'm eating.
Because it all is so like there's so much pumpkin mornay.
Oh no, it's not good.
Okay.
Is the microwave done? Oh, it's really hot.
The microwave may have blown up.
Our microwave has blown up. And this isn't a cheap microwave.
And we don't use it.
We never use this
Ever.
bloody thing. And
Not
it's
even
died
fifth
on the...
Fit.
We're only on the 5th meal. What the hell, LG? What is going on? I mean, it's hot. The microwave's hot. Oh.
Yeah, maybe just leave it.
I mean, we nearly started a fire up in this bitch.
The things.
Oh, it's like hot. It's like we're gonna start a...
Your microwave meal challenge.
I know, what? But if we... I what burnt my finger. We're in a real... We've got some... We're in a predicament. Is there like something, like a reset? Is it wrong to ask your microwave to do that? I feel like people somewhere like cook in microwaves like half an hour at a time.
Unexpected unexpected vacuum area will be posted.
Okay. We're ready to go. We have the microwave behind us, and it's probably going to be loud and annoying in this film. I don't know how to get rid of the 11.
Oh.
Righto. This, what are we eating here now?
A plant-based beefless patty.
Beefless patties.
Oh.
Do you know those spare ribs you get at like truck stops?
Oh yeah. I don't like them.
This isn't... It sounds like there's someone dying in the microwave. I mean, that's not that bad.
Oh, that's yum.
Yeah, that's not that bad.
That's unedible. I don't like that and I only like that. That's the only reason I eat it. So I have to have it too because it's not like I couldn't eat it.
I'm going at 4. I mean, a bit of barbecue sauce. Thai red chicken curry. Lean cuisine. So healthy? Is it healthy? It is. It's kind of healthy. It's got 3.5 out of 5 stars, whatever that means. That, I mean, it's not, I wouldn't, it looks like baby food.
Why is the chicken always rank?
It's like really chewy. Like really.
The chicken's not nice, but the flavour's nice, isn't it?
I think it's cooked for too long. What are they?
Caterpillars?
Are they? They do feel like caterpillars again. You can't, these frozen meals are no good with beans. Oh.
Oh. The chicken is like,
The chicken's not good at all. The chicken's like super chewy and gross.
flavour is nice, so that kind of outweighs it.
I'm doing a 5. I got a 5.
I think you're getting too
Are you
tough.
going to continue to eat that or what?
Okay.
This doesn't look...
What have we got here?
This is lean cuisine.
Hearty
hot
lamb.
pot. Hearty lamb and rosemary hot pot. Look at that compared to that. It's like...
What is with that potato?
It's like glue.
Yes.
I mean, the lamb's not that bad.
It's actually nice.
The
I
lamb's
like
not,
lamb.
The lamb's pretty good.
The
Potato is literally like wallpaper glue. I think we've entered a bit of a dangerous section here because I'm at the point now where I'm starving. And Kim has been starving since we started this. So Kim's starting to think that everything she tastes good. Because she's that hungry.
I'm so starving.
So I'm not sure how fair this review actually is now. Oh, I don't feel well. What is the on the menu? On the menu, roast pork. Are you going for the meat?
Yeah.
That's so bad, that pork. Did you like it?
No.
You're too hungry for this challenge. You think this tastes good?
Taste the potato. Oh, actually. At the start, you think it tastes like real
No.
potato, but it doesn't.
Oh, that's really bad. That's so gross. You like it?
No.
Then why are you eating it? That's a 3.
3.
Yeah. Oh, they're caterpillar beans. Kim's too hungry to be doing this challenge. We need to get her when she's full of food. Okay, so this is the last but not least McCain's man size spaghetti and meatballs.
I think I've got a lot of cheese on my fork.
Oh. That's my food. Oh, that spaghetti is horrible.
That's not that bad. Oh, the aftertaste is not nice.
It's not. The spaghetti tastes very like an off-putting.
Yeah, and like the tomato paste.
Yeah,
stuff.
the Okay, well, I don't really know what the whole point of all this was. I don't know what the point of this was. Hopefully it gives you a bit of insight into frozen dinner.
No, just a laugh for the night.
Well, hopefully it's funny watching us eat.
It turns
crap
you
food.
off. Hopefully it turns you off
turn you
from
off.
buying.
Righto, well, that's our frozen food review, sickening thing done. We have to now go get something to actually eat. Because we're both starving.
45.
It's 9:45. I still have to edit this video. Okay, that's it. We're done. Good night. Hope you enjoyed. Kimmy, do you have anything to say?
Night.